discovercom.com/LeBron.
Hey, it's Eric right here. In the 60s from this, we break down the NBA DFS slate and give our favorite DFS plays for championships.
Oh my gosh, what's he doing? Oh, okay, call 911. Where's my phone?
Just signal as you're in the lane.
Yeah, I don't get why people do that. They start using the signal as they're coming in. It's like, you're already like in here.
Hey, it's the cops.
Oh yeah, you're right. And we missed the light because everybody has to try to get one car ahead. I don't know how people can live in this city for so long though. Really? Really? There's a dash camera.
The road, buddy. It's not just yours.
There's a dash camera right there. This is road rage. And you didn't indicate when you first started coming over. It's all on dash camera.
Whoa!
Ridiculous. 啊，可以哦，你 crazy guy，唔睇睇噶。
Yeah. Wrong one. Yikes.
That he has been tested, and I'm going to speak immediately after this press conference with the White House Physician's Office. At this point, as of last night, the White House Physician's Office had said
paramedic and alarm. Oh, dude. A Home Depot opened right at the street corner we're supposed to sit at. Me and my partner were both new home.
Can you not get in an accident in a rental?
It was a f***ing red light, dude! How you doing, man?
All right, the white SUV coming into the screen in just a moment. She will run the red light right now. She ran that red light. I guess we're in a hurry. And now watch this. I guess it's seemingly inconsistent behavior, but it's consistent with being or viewing yourself as the most important driver on the road. So we will come up to another red light. She decides not to run this one. Here she is, stopped at the red light, and she is on her cell phone now. Ford Escape, the light-colored Ford Escape there. HRJ, you'll have to pause it to make out the license plate. So she got off her phone finally and started her drive, and now she's in a hurry again, as you'll see her motor by in 3, 2, 1. Well, that was good timing, wasn't it? Okay, we're coming up on another red light. Oh, she doesn't. Yep, here it comes. I knew it was coming. She's going to cut me off to get ahead of the guy who just got in her lane. And she's still behind traffic. Now, this lane merges into one. So I'm turning left, yet, you know, I guess when you're on your phone, you just can't make good driving decisions. And I think that's what that exhibits here. Just up now, she's going to, you know, basically almost run into the next guy. So thank you for playing. You are our idiot of the day.